Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to crochet this mini heart. I love it, very cute and very easy as well, very easy. Okay, so the size of the heart is, here, from here to here is about 2 inches. Okay, from here to here about 2 inches as well, like that, just in case if you want to know. Alright, and then the yarn that I use is Shipji Stonewash XL. This is size 4 medium weight yarn, and all the yarn and all the hook is not that important, but I just want to show you what I use. And crochet hook I use size 6 millimeter, and your needle and scissors, and let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna start off with a magic ring, and you can use any method you prefer for making a magic ring. It have many different ways you can use, but I'm just gonna show you my way. Okay, so I'm gonna hold the yarn like this, and then I twist the yarn like this, and I hold it right here like that, and then I insert the hook into that loop, and then yarn over hook, pull up a loop, and chain one. The chain one doesn't count as a stitch. It's the part of a magic ring. Alright, and now I have a magic ring. Here's what it looks like. And then I'm gonna chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then I'm gonna make 2 treble crochet. For the treble crochet, you're gonna yarn over hook twice. So I yarn over hook once and twice. Okay, and then insert the hook into that ring. Insert the hook there, pull up a loop, and then I yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, like that. That is the first treble crochet, and I need to make 1 more treble crochet. So yarn over hook twice, like that, and then insert the hook into the same ring space, and then pull up a loop, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, like that. And then I'm gonna make 4 double crochet. So yarn over hook, insert the hook into the same ring space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, 3 more, yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 2 more, yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 1 more, yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, now I have 4 double crochet here, and then next I'm gonna chain 1. This chain 1 here is gonna be this part, the bottom here. Alright, yeah, after I chain 1, I'm gonna make 4 double crochet. So yarn over, insert the hook into the ring space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This 1, and this is 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now I have 4 double crochet here, and then I'm gonna make 2 treble crochet. So remember, treble crochet, we're gonna yarn over hook twice, like that, and then insert hook into the ring space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Okay, one more. Yarn over, hook twice, insert the hook into the ring space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, like that. And now I have 2 treble crochet, and then next I'm gonna chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then slip stitch into that ring space. But before you slip stitch, I want you to pull this tail tight a little bit. So just pull a little bit to close up the hole, a little bit, not all the way, okay, around here. And then yeah, after I chain 4, I'm gonna slip stitch into that ring space. I chain 4 and then insert the hook into this ring space like that, pull up a loop, and then pull it through like that. And now we're done. And then we need to pull the tail tight to close up the hole like that. And now we have a heart. Beautiful. I love it. And then now I just gonna cut the yarn. And then pull the yarn out like that. And now we're done. Just need to weave the end like that. And if you're gonna use this heart to attach to your project, you can leave the tail as well, to use this tail to sew into your project. Okay, you don't need to weave the end. Maybe you just need to weave one end. Okay, so I show you how to weave this in here. I'm pretty sure you know how to do that, but I show you anyway. So I just insert just next stitch here. Just insert just to bring into the back side. Like that. And then hiding the tail. Very easy. Maybe turn around. You can do whatever you like, okay? Make sure it's secure and then trim the tail. That's it. And then this tail, like I said, if you can attach this heart to your project, you can leave this tail. And if you're not gonna attach this heart to your project, you can weave this in as well. So I'm just gonna leave it like that just to show you. This is on the back. This is the right side. See, very beautiful and very easy as well. Yay! I hope you enjoy making this little heart here. If you do, please give this video a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next video. Bye bye!